Now that is looking like a fabulous outdoor meal. This is insane. Wow, 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 wow. Good afternoon. We are at this absolutely stunning place. The reason we've come here today, we are having an adventure date, and we are going to cook some steak and tomatoes on a Swedish torch or a Canadian candle, one of these. We've got no secondary cooker. There is a bit of driftwood around, but we are going to cook it exclusively on the Swedish torch, and if it fails, we go hungry, and it's a long walk up to the car. It's going brilliantly. Can you feel the heat from over there? It's kicking out loads of heat.
And it's not even blowing in my direction. So it's,
no.
Yeah.
This place is so cool, isn't it?
It is lovely.
All we need now is like a few dolphins to swim past.
Yeah, definitely.
And the cool thing is I can just spin it occasionally so it burns evenly. I'm ready for the sizzle. Now, how do you want yours cooked?
Well, just wait till yours has been on about 4 minutes and then we'll put mine on. A sizzling steak in the sea and some birds.
Mega, isn't it?
Yeah. And a game of double.
Yes. We're going to have a game of double, camping edition.
Of course. I would call it Adventurer
Edition, yeah. They haven't approached me for a licensed game yet. I don't know why. Okay, ready for yours to go on?
Yep, with the fillet.
Bingo. His and hers steaks, cooked on a Canadian candle, Swedish torch. They've got a lot of different names. I'm very, very happy with this one. What I want to do one day is come out with just one of these, or even make one while I'm out, and then see if I can get dinner and then extinguish it without water and then light it again for breakfast. Right, do you want me to flip yours?
Yeah.
Oh, they look so good. Aldi's finest. The steak is from Aldi. The tomatoes are from Aldi. Look at those. That is just food porn, isn't it? And I like, oh, that is how I like my steak. I like my steak really burnt. That is going to be delicious. So 1:15 we lit the torch. It's 1:41 now, and as you can hear, I'll get the microphone closer. Sizzling away beautifully. It doesn't get much better than this, does it? I don't know if you can see, there's some gorgeous cliffs up there. That reminds me a little bit of Mount Rushmore, that one there.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah. We're going to do some carving later.
Yeah. Me and you get our faces on there. So we have just lost one of our rocks. It did split.
Oh.
Is that splitting again?
Yeah.
So there was me saying they won't be hot enough to split.
That one split again after it came off.
Yeah, that one split twice. We don't want that. But there's lots of air holes now. So maybe you could adapt that or use rock that doesn't explode. But it's fine now. That is looking like a fabulous outdoor meal. So we've got the tomatoes in now. Oh, that is how I like my steak. I know you don't like yours cooked like that. Whew. We can't fit all the tomatoes in. They are really good. So if you've been following my channel from its conception, you'll know that me and my wife lost our son in June last year. And the reason I do what I do on this channel is to help my mental health and keep me stable. And recently me and my wife had a really open chat about how the grief could, it isn't, but how it could be even bigger than our love for each other. And today the grief waves were small, and other days they're huge, other days they're just unmanageable. But things like this really help, and you being part of our channel really helps, because it gives me a reason to get out and do what I love to do. Bambino, blind you. That's such a cool setup, isn't it?
Yeah.
Adventure date number 2. We came here yesterday with our Swedish Torch. We thought we'd come back today and stay. So we have. And we left our Swedish Torch here, found it again, relit it, and it is still going. So that is 2 hours yesterday. It's over 5 hours burning now. But we've shielded it. We found a discarded road sign, so we've shielded it from the wind a little bit more today, so it's much better. This is our little camp. Got the Robins. Can't remember what Robins it is. Spectre 2. Cozy. Let's have a little tidy up before bed.